Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to do Canary deployment in terms of hands-on. So to do this Canary deployment, we need to create two deployments over here and then another service, which is a load balancer. And we're just going to work with that. So let's just look at the Canary deployment. So firstly, we will create one deployment, which is basically your stable version of your application. I'm going to name this as Sterling C prod web deploy.yaml file. So this file is going to have the manifest information towards creating a deployment of the Canary stable version, which is version 1. So here, let me just go through this. Here, this is a deployment which is named as Sterling C prod web deploy, with the trying to match label of the pod with the method of Canary stable. And this is a recreate strategy. We're going to reuse it for your Canary method as well. So here the label of this prod is Canary stable, which uses version 1 of your application, which is the Nginx application which we're using. And that's pretty much the definition here. So let's save and quit this file. And let's just kubectl apply -f, the file name. So this is applied right now. So as you can see, the new pod created with the Canary method over here, which is basically your Canary stable. So now we will create a load balancer. In my document, I would have created another one of the deployment, but skip that and go to the last item, which is your load balancing service creation. So Sterling lb-c -svc.yaml file. So this is where we are going to create a Canary file. So here the name, I've not given any kind of a name over here because we will have only one load balancer here. So I didn't want to change that. Here I have given the search parameters here for selecting the pods. So I want all pods which is sitting on Sterling production and web as a label values. And I'm not giving what kind of method here in this situation. So this is a target port and the port number of your load balancer. Save and quit this file and do apply this as well. kubectl apply -f. So this is going to apply us and kubectl get svc. So you can see that I've got a new load balancer IP address. So now that the new load balancer IP address is created here, I'm so sorry, I actually have not copy pasted it properly. You can see that it has created cluster IP address, which is a default one, not load balancer. So I'm just going to delete the service, kubectl, delete svc, and the name of the cluster IP. So here I just need to give one tiny detail, which will I name this as a load balancer. So that's something I forgot to give. So there you go. Save and quit the file, and then do apply this one more time, and then get the detail over here. Now you can see that it is created as a load balancer. So the couple of things you can identify here, the type is different. And as well as it doesn't have an host node port number or the host port number. So that is missing over here. So that's basically how it is, how I was able to understand that it is not correct. So now that we have a load balancer IP address, so it will be looking for these guys. You can also verify this with endpoints or EP. So you can also get that. So you can see that 10.244.1.5. and then 2.5 and then 1.6, and it's all like 80 port number. So that's another way to check this. And then do watch -n 1 for 1 second interval. What it needs to watch is curl, and then the load balancer IP address, and port number you don't have to mention because it's a default 80 port number. So you can see that version 1. So let it run for another 5-6 seconds. You can see all version 1 is coming right now. So now when you are stable and ready, go ahead and deploy the version 2 of your Canary deployment. So as you have 3 of these nodes, so let's deploy one of the version 2 right now. See if the version 2 is coming over here. Create a file. Go to the second one. So create a file name. It should be a Sterling CN prod web deploy. So I'm creating a new YAML file. This new YAML file, I'm creating a new set of values here, which I'm copy pasting from my GitHub. And you can see that pretty much that this is the name is CN. So it's a new deployment completely. I'm not modifying the existing one. The replica is 1. And you can see that this method is called Canary new. And here the type of strategy is recreate the same one. Rest of the options is the same except for the method name, which is Canary new. And the version is v2. And then the image is also v2. So let's save this file. And let's run this file as well. kubectl, I apply, -f, and the file name. Now that it is created, it is started as well. So we are waiting it for it to get ready to the ready state. You can see that it's ready as well. So now the load balancer should also accept this one as well. So you can see that +1 over here. So you can see the version 2 coming and going. As you can see version 2 over there. So version 2 is coming now and then because every 3 hits, you're going to get the version 2 as well, because that's going to be part of your load balancing algorithm. So you're going to randomly see version 2 because that's is something which we have which we are monitoring currently. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you to understand how to create such Canary deployment in such scenarios. Thank you again. So all you have to do to go back to version 1, if you are planning to go back to version 1, all you have to do is like delete the deployment. So you just get deploy and you can see the deployment. All you have to do is like delete, deploy / the deployment name, and the deletion of deployment will remove all the deployments as well as the replica set as well as the pod, and you will not see version 2 anymore. You will only see version 1 of your application. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.